Well, a lot of you have asked me that how you can navigate in this Pro Blockchain Developer Bootcamp. So if you are absolute beginner, intermediate and advanced, so your way of navigating following this entire bootcamp should be different. So in that way, what will happen that you will spend most of the time on the quality concept we have in this entire bootcamp where we are building the project, learning about the programming language, learning about the model, security, testing, interview round. We have multiple layer. So which one is going to be more beneficial for you if you are advanced or a beginner or intermediate? So that's what I would try to highlight, because this entire bootcamp is divided in multiple category. Where if you're absolute beginner, you can able to go with like in the basic structure, in the basic level, where you will learn about the extension, where you learn about the project setup, where you learn about the libraries, where you will learn about the models, the architecture design, the security models, smart contract, programming language. That's all you will master. So once you will land in this particular boot camp and you will start following it, you will find that we have divided this entire in multiple chapters. So in the first chapter, if you're absolute beginner, in the first chapter, you're going to learn about the basic project setup, which you have to know. If you're absolute beginner, if you have no coding experience, that will give you the foundation and it will get you familiarized to build the ecosystem before you start building the project. So in which we have the course navigation, like the overview of the entire course, that what we're going to develop, how we're going to develop and what project we're going to include, because that's the most important thing no matter what you are learning. Once you will build something powerful which is industry ready, that will give you more relevant to the industry and you will understand that what is the requirement of the industry and how you can build any project. You will learn about the project overview and the models. Then you will go back to the course navigation, Chrome browser, installation of node and the extension. That's what you have to know, that what are the relevant extension you will have to make your work and writing code faster. Then you will learn about the GitHub, that how you can manage your project on GitHub, how you can connect, how you can download all of things. So that's the project setup. That will give you the ecosystem. Now come back to the next stage where we're going to focus on Solidity smart contract. So no matter what you want to do, if you are in the blockchain development, the most of the time you're going to spend in writing Solidity smart contract, where you have to focus on security, gas optimization, layout structure, modular structure, global structure, all of things we have. So you have to understand deeply that what are the concepts we have, how we can able to design the entire system design, the architecture, how we can store the data in the memory in the call data so we can save the gas consumption, build a higher security for re-entrancy attack. All of this concept you're going to master. So I have dedicated extensively on this chapter 2 where we have learned about Solidity smart contracts. So if you're an absolute beginner, you will master complete Solidity programming language in this chapter 2, where we learn about the ecosystem, contract development, data type, function variables, local variables, global, view, contract, event, const, if else, while loop, how do loop work, for loop, required, assert. So we have multiple concepts, and if you follow this extensively, where you will understand that. So the best part of this lecture I have included that one lecture which you will follow in, for example, in 26, and you're going to correlate the same concept in the next lecture when you will learn about the different concept, different material, different structure, different values. You're going to correlate, and that's the best part, because every single thing is connected with one another. So when we will start building the final project, where you will find that how we are bringing all of this into actual project in the industry ready project. So that's what you will find in the chapter 2. We have close to 52 videos, and there you will find all the materials which I will show you. Now come back to the chapter 3, in which we will start focusing on the core concept which you need to have if you really want to allow user to build a front end. Like this smart contract is enough. If you're good with that, and if you want to work on a core smart contract development auditing field, then you can go with that. But I have added this external layer on top of it, because when you want to build become a full stack blockchain developer, you have to build a front end where you will allow user to interact with your smart contract. Like not everybody is so comfortable to interact with the code directly. So you can build an interface where the user will interact and call the function we have. So we have this courses on HTML, CSS, React, Tailwind, Hard Hat. This one is a really powerful framework which help you to test the contract, write the unit tests, build the system design, include the package for the testing environment. That's all you will find. You will learn about the MetaMask. We will learn about the Web3 provider, that what are the packages we have, how we can build the connection with the blockchain so user can perform the trade, call the functions, check the transaction model, check the event, update the balance, changing the event in the wallet, which can trigger the entire state in the application. We have the Wing, which is a really powerful platform which allow you to build a custom model. So it's a huge library where you can able to use the predefined model, pass the addresses, call the event and get all the data. So there you don't need to write much code. You will learn about that as well. You will learn about the Rainbow Kit, which is a really powerful, which allow you to connect with multiple wallet providers. So you can set up that one. You will learn about the Rembo, Pinata, which is a decentralized IPFS system. So that's what you will master in this course before we start focusing on the project. Got it? So let me close this one. Now come back to the next one. This is the chapter 3. Now if I go back to the chapter 4, there you will start building the project. So whatever you have learned in the smart contract development, whatever you have learned in the front end, whatever you have learned in the project setup, that's all you're going to combine as a project. So now the main and the best part, you're going to build something. So there you will learn about the introduction, project setup, contract, token, smart contract development. And the best part of this is that it not have only single contract. It has 5 different contract with 5 different business logic. So each one of these contract is sharing data with one another to build the functionality, whether they talk about the bidding, community, NFT creation, charging the fees, ICO launch, but that's all it has. So you will find about that. So you will find the contract testing, deployment, utils, NFT context, that how you can manage the state, because once you will get the data from the blockchain, you have to manage and distribute in your application. So you should not call extensively every single time when the page load to your backend and exhaust your RPC node. So that's one you have to understand. Then we'll start on the front end section like nav, bar, footer, and all of this component we're going to build one by one. So we have multiple lecture in the chapter 4. Altogether we have 4, and there we will build the complete ready project. Now in the chapter 5, we'll focus on security or optimization, and the reason why I have included this as a separate chapter, because sometimes you have to work on an existing project. So what should be your approach when it's come to adding a feature on top of that, and how you can able to bring the changes in the UI component if already a project exists. So that's the one approach I have taken. Then you will learn about the optimization, environment settles, adding utility function, gas optimization, dynamic contract, global loader. All of these models you will add, where you will not only optimize the security contract, but you will also focus on the front end part, where you will redesign the structure on the existing model. So that will give you a better understanding that how you can take the approach when you have to work on the existing project. So that's what we have in the security and optimization. So we have close to 30 video in that. Now after that, whatever you have developed, that's totally decentralized. Now we're going to add one more layer on top of that. So we're going to build a global backend API. So this API can be included, whether you talk about the payment gateway, whether you talk about the e-commerce, whether you talk about the learning platform. So this is the global API you can use on any type of project. Any project you can include this API, and you can able to build your own API from scratch. So in this we have close to 7 lecture where you learn about the packages, models, architecture, the model structure, read and write, patch model. That's all you will learn. So you will find that we have the complete in-depth tutorial about this backend API. MCV model, that's all you will find, that how you can able to validate, how you can use MongoDB, that's all is there, how to handle the error globally, inline, that's all you will find. So we have close to 70 video where we're going to spend almost 10 hours in this particular section, where we're going to build a complete API from scratch. Now after that, we'll start focusing on interview. There you have to focus and understand that how you can listen to the question, how to respond, how to be confident, and what to say and what not to say, how you can able to direct your interview. So when you're sitting in an interview, you should not let the interviewer direct and ask you random question from here and there. You should be having the authority to present yourself, talk about the project. In that way, you will show your dominance. That's very important. Your confidence should come when you will talk about any particular topic. So preparation for interview is very important, and there's a couple of questions which are going to be repeatedly asked when you will sit for any kind of interview. So I have altogether carry out all of these important questions which I generally ask when I take an interview for any one of the company, and when I try to hire someone for my own company. So we have this close to 60 question I have included, like 64 question. And if you understand the structure, the model, you are good enough to just answer any kind of question, because these are the foundation. Then when you sit for the interview, and depending on the job role, this based on this foundation, the question is going to be created. So once you have this understanding, you can easily able to master it. So this is what exactly we have in this complete bootcamp, and that's how you can navigate if you are absolute beginner. You can take one step at a time and just follow all the chapters. Now let's talk about the intermediate or advanced, those who have already familiar with the chapter 1, and they also have the familiar with the chapter 2. But whether you are intermediate or advanced, I would highly encourage you to simply brush your ideas, brush your concept, about the Solidity smart contract. So must follow this complete. Once you will follow that, you can relate all of that which we're going to learn in this when we start building on the project. So if you are advanced or intermediate, like you have the 50% understanding about the blockchain and decentralization, then you can start this chapter 2. After that, you can jump straight away to the project, because I believe that you will also have this particular understanding in these courses. If you're coming from web development or web2 development, you already have this foundation about the Next.js, Next.js, React, Tailwind, CSS. These are the foundation. You can also have a look at this hard, because this will help you to understand the testing environment, creating and deployment of the contract. You can go with MetaMask, provider, Wings. These are the important things which you have to just watch this. You will understand that what are the way to utilize this in the project. Once you're done with that, after that you can start building projects straight away. Just build the project. And this is for intermediate and beginner. The project would take around 30 to 40 hours, 50 hours of content, which you can simply follow and build. So just try it, spend some time. Once you build any logic, any functionality, spend 5 minutes, try to understand that what logic we have implemented. Is there any other way we can implement? Because there are hundreds of ways to write the same function. So that should be your process of following this particular bootcamp. So I hope you have got the understanding that what exactly you will have in this bootcamp and how you have to navigate. So all the videos are already there. You can simply go to different section and you can simply start playing. You can click on this and you can start playing. Check all the project we have, all the models we have. That's all you will find. If you want to learn about the navigation, you can check that browser installation. If you come back to the remix ID, you can have a look, and that's all you will find. If you go back here in the optimization, there it is, utils models we have. That's all is there. You can check all of that. If you come back to the header handle, that's all we have. Transaction origin, that's all is there. So let's come back here and look. So far so good. I'll close this one, and here you will find the final source code, so you can compare while following this complete bootcamp. So if you get stuck in any lesson, in any chapter, you can open that particular folder, check the code which we have applied, and you can compare it, like if you have missed anything. Now, and you will also find a dedicated Discord server, so you can click on this, and from here you can join the Discord server, or you will be given an email ID in which you can ask straight away. You will get a quick response, or you can ask in the GitHub and just discuss. So this is what you will have exactly in the complete bootcamp. I hope you have understood that how you have to navigate and what are the models we have included. This one is really powerful if you really want to master complete blockchain development in 2026. Right now, we need quality developer. Right now, we lack a lot of quality developer, because right now everybody's talking about that I'm a blockchain developer, but they are not. They're just doing the vibe coding, generating the code, which they have no idea at all. And they think that once they will do it, they can able to land in the job and interview. That's not going to be happen, because those who already have the experience, they will get utilize this AI infrastructure far better than those who are a vibe coder. So you have to understand the deeper level. Just give your 3 to 4 months, complete this bootcamp. After that, you can use this AI model, agentic AI coding assistant far better than any other coding, any other developer, the vibe coders or intermediate advanced developer. You will be best. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. Make sure to come back here, follow the complete more structure which I have just told you. Watch the video, just replicate, give 1 hour every single day. In the next 3 to 4 months, you will complete this entire bootcamp, because it's a huge bootcamp, and I want you to spend some time, not just watch it randomly. Okay, just follow in a systematic way. It will give you better understanding about this ecosystem and the environment of decentralized ecosystem and how you can build and get industry ready. So when any project will come up to you, you can able to build and deliver that one. So that's the only thing you have to keep in mind. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. With that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.